Hello everyone, this is Gonzalo. I am leading the sustainability program here at HP Additive Manufacturing, and we are here at Formnext. Really happy to introduce some of the new projects that we are working on to make our company and our business a little bit more sustainable every single year. A few years ago, here at Formnext as well, we introduced that we were switching the energy use for the manufacturing of our cup materials to renewable energies, and we achieved a good reduction in the carbon footprint per part. This year, we're going farther in our commitment to leading sustainability in the industry, and we are following the same logic, matching the electricity usage of our newer 56 series printers, as well with the renewable energy produced in the countries where the energy is being used. So after having introduced reduced footprint materials, in the last 2 years, we have avoided, collectively with our customers, the emissions of 10,000 tons of CO2 equivalents, which is a big deal. Now we are following this commitment again, and with switching the electricity usage of our 56 series printers to renewable energies, we also are working towards even further reduction on the carbon footprint per part. Apart from this, we are also going to be talking about the new printers refurbishment program, the new features that we are adding to the carbon calculator that now also helps you to compare with injection molding, and some other projects related to packaging and supply chain that we are really happy to introduce.
Sí, gracias.